Hello viewers, Headphone Palace team here. Welcome to our channel. Today I am going to unbox Tozo OpenBuds and do a quick review. I think it will be exciting for you. You can also visit our webpage headphonepalace.com for the latest product news. Also you can read the features of headphones and gather knowledge of how to fix headphones. Okay, now it's time to uncover the packet and dive into the deep. Let's see. Wow, it's solid out like a matchbox. Today I do not compare any products with OpenBuds, so you can just focus specifically on these OpenBuds. There are no extra tips, I think. Actually, there are no extra tapes because it's OpenBuds, not like NC7, but it's budget friendly like NC7. So let's see what is in the box. Here is a USB A to C charging cable. I think it's not mandatory because generally we have enough cable in our house to charge. A to C, USB A to C, type C. Okay. Now take a look at the case. It's the flattest case I have ever seen. It's a sleek charging case, and yes, it's portable. We can bear it easily. Look, here is the charging port. Oh yes, it's user manual, right? Yes, it's user manual. Wow, there are many instructions. It's helpful, I think. Yes, it's looking very good and attractive. Look, here is a button. Look, this is a button. It's interesting. It's a one-click reset button. I do not see this button in a many high-price earbuds. If you want or need, you can reset the original settings by pressing just one click on this button. Wait. Wow, looking good. And wow, Here is the touch panel. You can control it by touching here. Play, pass, next track, previous track, answer call, reject a call, hanging up, volume up, down, and even starting voice assistant also. If you need, then take a screenshot from our page video screen. In our video screen, you can take a screenshot. Okay, now we are measuring the case with earbuds. $77.36 gram. Now without earbuds. $56.57 gram. Now the product term. It's 10.42 gram. Second one, it's 10.36 gram. The left and the right earbuds are almost the same. So we can say it's lightweight. Look, now it's designed to fit comfortably in your ears because it's a biaxial rotation angle. It has two different ways to fit in the ears. Yes, it swivels the earband 90 degrees and tilts 60 degrees. Tozo OpenBuds are IPX6 rated, so it is not possible to dive into the water like NC7, but it is ideal for sports and outdoor use. Let's see. Now I will spray water on it. Wow, it's great. Look, it's simple waterproof. Look, it's simple waterproof. Tozo OpenBuds are IPX6 rated, and now I will pair them with an Android phone. Tozo OpenBuds support the Tozo app, and it is possible to update the firmware of the Tozo app. Also, you can modify audio settings and create a personalized audio experience. DSP call noise reduction is one of the important features of these OpenBuds. During calls, OpenBuds accurately capture and separate ambient noise from your voice. One another attractive feature is dual connectivity, which means These buds can connect two phones simultaneously. I have not seen this feature in many high-priced earbuds. It's an open ear design, so enjoy music without blocking your ears. With this feature, you can enjoy outdoor experience use. The 14.2 mm large dynamic drivers deliver pure crystal clear sound with deep bass and crisp highs. Now let's talk about battery life. Tozo OpenBuds offer up to 12 hours of continuous playback on a single charge, and the charging case provides an additional 30 hours, totaling 42 hours of combined battery life. It's 5.3 Bluetooth technology and provides stable wireless connectivity and reliable audio transmission. So Tozo OpenBuds better for what? Running, working, relaxing, traveling, gym, and for safe drive. We know all our followers enjoy our videos the most. Let us know in the comment box what you know about Tozo OpenBuds, and do not forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, also hit that notification bell so you stay updated with the latest earbuds. Thank you so much for joining us today. Stay tuned for more exciting unboxing, reviews and many more.